Hey there, it's Jared Hamilton with the Hamilton Group at Cherry Creek Mortgage. Welcome to another edition of Java with Jared. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Well, it's been really cold out there, but interest rates have remained hot. Mortgage-backed securities have been doing quite well here over the last couple of months, and that's continued. And that's been all due to a pretty weak stock market. Actually, the S&P 500 had its worst month since about 2012. So it saw a decline in January of about 3.3%. And that is translated into better interest rates because we're seeing money flow from stocks and bonds into mortgage-backed securities. So that's been good for interest rates, and it looks like it's going to continue because the economic data that's been coming out has not been very strong. We saw a pretty light week in terms of economic data. We saw the ISM, and that came in a little bit weaker than expected, about in line, but it wasn't a very strong number, and that caused another triple-digit decline in the S&P 500 in the stock market, and that has, again, just translated into better interest rates. Today, we saw the employment report come out, and the unemployment rate actually went from 6.7 down to 6.6%, which was lower than expected. So the unemployment rate, in essence, is coming down. But in terms of jobs added to the economy, that was pretty weak. The market was expecting about 175,000 jobs added to the economy. There was only 113,000 jobs added to the economy. So this unemployment rate, again, as we've said before, is just going down because people are getting discouraged. And the labor force participation rate is actually really not very good. It's continuing to get worse. So we've seen, again, a decrease in the stock market. That is translated into better interest rates, and it looks like that's going to continue because there just really has not been too much for the stock market to get excited about. And what's really hurting that stock market is the continued tapering of the quantitative easing, and there's no end in sight for that. So it looks like that's going to continue unless this market really stumbles. So we can enjoy the better interest rates. Tell your clients to get out there and let them know to take advantage of these wonderful levels. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call. We're always here to help. Thanks again for joining me with Java with Jared. We'll let you know what happens next week, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.